Best tips to help you lose weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight, and you could miss out on essential nutrients. 2. Eat regular meals and healthy meals, especially fruits, juices, greens. Eating at regular times during the day helps burn calories at a faster rate and reduces the temptation to snack on foods high in fat and sugar. 3. Eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are low in calories and fat, and they also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals. 4. Control portion sizes. Use smaller plates, measure serving sizes, and avoid eating straight from the package to help manage portions. 5. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 15 minutes of vigorous activity each week, along with muscle strengthening exercises regularly, including cycling, running, walking,